We always hear about improving your credit score and maintaining a good credit score, but what are the factors that affect a person's credit score? Hey everybody, it's your Halal Mortgage Guy here. I'm going to take some time today to educate you on factors that affect a person's credit score, how you can maintain a good score, and how you can even improve it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. So as you're looking at my screen, this is my credit score provided to me on a daily basis by my bank, which is Capital One. I'm not endorsing this product, but I suggest that you have some way of knowing your credit score on a regular basis. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So the very first factor that is used in determining a person's credit score is your on-time payments. How many of your payments are on time? Even if you're making the minimum payment, you should make sure that it is on time. Of course, I don't recommend you pay only the minimum because then you'll be paying interest, which is not ideal. And so you should certainly pay your entire balance on time. The next factor that affects a person's credit score is the age of the credit line. As you can see, the oldest account that I have is 19 years. I didn't even know that, but I do. Old credit cards are really good. So you want to make sure that your cards continue to remain active. Don't cancel any old accounts, and make sure that your lender doesn't close the account. Make a minimum purchase every month, maybe $10 or coffee here and there, and then when the bill comes, pay it off. But make sure that credit cards remain active. Old cards are good. Next one is credit used. How much of the available credit are you using? Let's imagine between the 5 cards that you have $10,000 each. That's a total of $50,000 available credit to you. How much of that $50,000 are you currently using? Let's say you're using 10%. In my situation here, as you can see, I'm using 20% of my available credit, and that's a good state. It's not excellent, but it could be a little bit better. So you want to make sure that you're not using a whole lot of credit that's available to you. Let's go ahead, scroll down further, and look at the next factor, which is recent inquiries. A lot of new inquiries indicates to lenders that you may be having money issues and therefore you're looking to borrow from many places. So a lot of inquiries are not good. You want to avoid running credit checks unnecessarily. Next thing is new accounts. A lot of new accounts is an indication of financial troubles. So you want to make sure that you're not opening a whole lot of credit cards or a whole lot of accounts that you may not necessarily need. A lot of time we go to department stores and so forth, and they often offer you 10% discount on your statement for opening a card today. Is it really worth it to get maybe $8, $10, or even $20, $30 off on your purchase today for one more card that you may or may not use? So you want to be mindful of opening new cards. New cards are bad, old cards are really good. And then lastly, available credit. How much credit is available to you? As you can see, I've got about $71,000 available to me. That is in the excellent state. This is an easy fix for you. You can actually handle this very easily. Call your credit card companies and ask them to raise your credit limit. They'll look at your payment history and they will improve or increase your credit availability, and that's going to affect your credit score. So these are the 6 factors that impact a person's credit score. You focus on these and you will have an improved credit score. Again, to recap, on-time payments. Make sure all of your bills are paid on time. If you can't pay all of it, at least pay the very minimum, but pay it on time. Oldest credit line. Do not close old cards. Make sure that your lender doesn't close old cards. Credit used. Don't use a whole lot of credit. Just because you've got $71,000 available to you to shop with doesn't mean you should use all of it. In fact, use very little of it. recent inquiries. Don't do credit checks unnecessarily. Don't open cards that are not necessary. And then improve your available credit. Call your lender and have them increase your credit limit. These are the 6 factors that help you improve and maintain a good credit. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope to catch you next time on a video. It's your Halal Mortgage Guy here. Reach out to me, 914-215-1540. Thank you so much for watching.